Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. In the first step, simply right click here and select run. Then once we are here, type in reg edit, then click on OK, select S, and this will open registry editor window. So just we need to expand HKey classes root here, expand it and find out .exe file, .exe folder. So just scroll down and here it is. Just select it, then on the right side right click on default and select modify, and make sure the value data is exe file. Now click on OK. Again scroll down and find out exe folder. So here it is, just exe file. We need to select it and just select the exe folder, right click on the default, select modify and change the value data as application and click on OK. Once done, simply just expand the exe file, then expand shell folder and select open folder. Again right click on default, select modify and change the value data. Make sure this value data should be empty, then click on OK. Now close this window and simply restart the system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved and you're good to go.